Hi students. So in my previous video I have talked about list comprehension and set comprehension. In this video I will be covering dictionary comprehension. So this is the basic syntax. I have already discussed about this in my previous video. So dictionary comprehension is a way to generate a dictionary from an iterable. So now you can realize that the behind idea of all these types is actually same. So let's see an example. So for the example, let's say we have a list of list males which contains 3 male characters. And another list females which contains 3 female characters. Sorry. And I want to generate a dictionary that will look like this. So let's say dictionary name is relationship, rel equal to, it will look like this. So key will be my male character and value will be my female character. Okay. And same for all other elements. So this is the problem and dictionary comprehension is the solution. So actually this is a single statement. So rel equal to, as I said, male is my key and female is my value. For all male comma female in zip males comma females, and that's all. So first let's see the output. Python video 7.py. See, this is my dictionary. Okay, so you have got this. So this is actually dictionary comprehension. We have generated a dictionary from an iterable. This is my iterable. So let's talk about how this is internally working. So first let's talk about this zip function. This function takes 2 iterables as its arguments and keeps traversing through all the elements and each time returns an iterator to a tuple, where first element of the tuple is male character and second element is female character. So the order is important, but there is no restriction that these 2 iterables have to be of same length. For different lengths, this zip function continues to traverse as long as the length of the shorter iterable is not exhausted. So for first time it returns an iterator to a tuple where first element is Shapnama and second is Manjishta, and same for other pairs. So that's all for dictionary comprehension. So yeah, so and this determines that how the pair is put in the dictionary. Okay, so this is all about dictionary comprehension. We can add condition also. So if we put like this, if let's say length of male compared to length of female. Okay, so let's so before running, so what it does is it takes every time when it traverses through these 2 lists, first it takes this tuple where the first element is Shapnama and second element is Manjishta. So male is Shapnama, female is Manjishta, and I am checking if length of male compared to length of female. So length of this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this, the length of these 2 strings is actually same. So it returns true, and this pair is inserted in the dictionary in this form. But for the next 2 elements, for the next 2 strings, this condition is actually false, so they will be discarded. So let's see the output. See, only this pair is inserted. So that's all about dictionary comprehension. In the next video I'll talk about generator and generator expression, advantages of generator over list. Yeah, so and for this code portion I will upload the code on GitHub and I will provide the links in description. So bye bye.